Right guys, so heading up Penavant. I didn't do a start off video down in the car park. It was too dark and the camera wouldn't pick anything up. So I'm doing one for you now. I'm 3/4 of the way up and it's currently about 5:45 in the morning, 6 o'clock-ish. So I'm going to keep plodding on till after review. All behind me, all the lights of people's head torches all coming up. So that's amazing. The moon is out that side, the sun's going to come up over the opposite side. So catch you at the top, guys. So coming up to the top ridge now. Penavant, I got Cwm D in front of me over that side. So this is the ridge. Wow, look at this. so like I said earlier, if anyone's coming to Wales, visiting Wales, get yourself out of bed early in the morning, get a pen of van for a walk, because the views are spectacular. All of the valley, all the way around. It's just that cloud constantly lingers on the trig point up there. The amount of people up here is quite high in the summer, but it wasn't too bad today. 50 people, maybe. Yeah, so I'm going to take a walk back down now. I haven't paid for the car park, so hopefully I haven't got a ticket. Who knows? Anyway, work this afternoon, so this was my get myself out of bed, bit of morning motivation, if that's what you want to call it. And get into the car park now, go home, cup of coffee, chill out, and work. So anyway, see you guys later. Right then guys, so I'm just coming down now, not far off the car park. So I've had a fantastic walk, and if you watched the video this far, then thank you very much. Been amazing. Some of the views are amazing. It's a bit of a hard walk. I can still see cloud on top of the mountain up there now, but hopefully it's going to be a nice day. So thanks for watching and tuning in, and see you all again.